we set our COM as a source and we add this to a plot. And okay, extremely sensitive, and okay, but it's doing the job. We're definitely sending too many frames and we don't need that level of sensitivity. So I'd like to use a SysTick, and that's changing the microcontroller configuration. So I'd like to set that in the Harmony project. So I don't want to change the configuration of those low-level files which are being generated. So let's have a look at how we can do this. So we launch MCC. Yes, we update the core. Yes, we update the configuration format. Okay, and here we can see the Harmony configuration. And what I was looking for was system, specifically M0 SysTick enable configuration, enable interrupt, and I want 100 milliseconds. Now, when I generate code, it's going to do two things. First, it's going to give me the SysTick that I want, but also what it's going to do is regenerate all the files, and that will check that everything is working well with the updated project. So all generated 1314, 1314, Control-Shift-P, clean and build. Okay, all done. Okay, so first of all, we come to our code, config, peripheral, SysTick. We have these files here. They are there. But if we initially go add files, MPLAB, SysTick, they are not found yet. So if we can start a new agent, and MPLAB SysTick is popping up there. Okay, giving it the C file, register SysTick callback at the start of main. In the callback, set a flag to send a data streamer frame. SysTick data streamer. And normally it's asking, apply these changes to main.c. Okay, accept all. Okay, there's the SysTick handler just setting a flag. So they've just created a flag right at the start of main, so it'll loop around like that. Okay, Control-Shift-P, clean and build. Okay, so let's check that the SysTick is actually running. So let's launch instead of program. Sometimes it'll come into the code like this, interrupts. This is just the reset vector of the microcontroller. So you step over, you get into the start of main. So don't worry about that. Okay, so I wanted to go to the SysTick here and set a breakpoint there and run. Okay. Okay, call SysTick timer start after system initialize. Okay, so let's clean and build. launch, and run. Yep, we get into our SysTick handler. Okay, data visualizer, run, hide the terminal, give ourselves some space. Okay, still pretty sensitive, but it's now slowed down a bit, and temperature is going up. Yeah, so that's basically what we wanted. So yeah, short introduction to how we can use the MPLAB AI agent to basically code program. Yeah, thank you very much. Bye.